Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend, your sister Chigo Kings. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. For me, I do. And this is another day this is another week God has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Oh, this season, He is the reason for the season. Try to show love out there, try to make people to feel love. This is the season of love. So guys, I want to emboss the hair I bought from Amazon. So it has been long I bought this hair from Amazon, so I decided to unbox it. Today is, I think it's a month now that I bought this hair from Amazon, so today I'm going to unbox it. Hi God, I hope this hair will be fine. I hope it will be okay. I just pray that this hair will be fine. So meanwhile, my daughter was the one that received it. She was like trying to open it. So at least I not told that they don't open it at all because I want to do it here. So guys, I'm going to unbox it. I just pray that this hair will be fine. It has been long I bought this hair, but well, let's see how this hair looks. Hopefully it will be fine. Let's see how this hair looks. So guys, this is the hair. That's the hair from Amazon. So guys, that is the hair from Amazon. That's the way it came. So I'm going to unbox it. I just pray. I just pray. So this is the hair. Let me see. Let me open it and see how it looks. So let's open it and see. Okay, look at what is inside it. There is a wig cap inside it. 2 pieces of wig cap inside it. So this is the hair. This is the hair. Just press. I just need to know what does. I've not actually. I have this wave hair, this deep wave before, but I don't really have it now. So I decided to just open it right now. That's the hair. That is the hair. That is the hair. Well, I don't really understand how the hair is because you can see the inside. Look at the way the inside looks. You can see it, the inside, and look at the way they did the less wig. Can you see it? Yeah, that's the way it is. I don't really know. So I'm going to wear it to see how it looks. But before I wear this hair, I'm going to use, because this hair just, I think they didn't plug it, so I have to plug a little bit so that it will look natural. So I'm going to use they didn't bleach it at all. They didn't bleach it. So I'm going to use my foundation to just, I'm going to use the foundation on the line so that it will still look natural. They didn't bleach it, they didn't plug it, so I'm going to do it by myself. I'm going to just plug it, just plug the front side, and use my foundation on this side so that it will look natural. If not, it will not look natural. So I'm going to do it, but I'm not saying the way the wig is. I'm not saying really see the wig, the how. I'm not saying the way they cover it. Normally, the lace wig they don't cover it. It used to be transparent. Normally, they don't cover it. It used to be transparent, but this one is not transparent. They use another thing to just cover it. And this is my first time of seeing this kind of thing, but I'm going to just do a little bit work on it and see how it looks, whether it will be okay, whether it will fit me. I just pray. Meanwhile, remember this my hair. This is the one I did by myself. I still bought the hair from Amazon and I turned it to wig. So this is the one I did by myself. So I'm going to let me just do something on this and I'll wear it and see how it looks. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned and keep on watching. So guys, I'm putting on the wig cap. So I'm going to put on the hair. So let's see. I'm going to put on the wig. Let's see how it goes.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
This is how the wig looks. I hope this is okay. It fits me well. I love it. I don't know what you guys think. I love the wig. The wig is okay. So but I'm going to spray some water to see how it will be. I'm going to chew it. I'm going to just chew it. This I think it's even coming like this. Just coming out. So guys, this is the outcome of the hair. This is the outcome of the hair. But don't say I don't like about this hair. The hair shed, yes, shed thing just coming out. Any little thing will just come out. Look at it. So for now, I love the hair, but there is bits. I love the hair, but there is bits because of the way it's just pulling out. That's one thing I don't like about the hair. But I think the hair fits me. I don't know what you guys think. You guys can rate the hair for me. This guy just rates the hair for me. And now I just, I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do a work on the hair, right? I'm going to do some work. I'm going to plug it again. I'm going to trim it and I'm going to use oil on it. And it should be fine. But now, how do I look? That's what I look.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need
that is it for now. That is it. guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys love this. Guys, enjoy it. Please, if you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe. Guys, please subscribe. Help me to grow this channel. My dream is for me to grow this channel. Honestly, that is my dream. And I pray to Almighty God that it will just grow. I just want to grow it. That is my dream. I want you guys just to help me to make this my dream come true. You guys can do it. I'm still here today not because of you guys. I'm here because of you guys. I'm still here because if not you, I won't be here. So thank you so much for my old subscribers. Thank you so much for my new subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. It's only God that will reward you. I can't do anything. Just God that will reward you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. I'm going to end it here. I'm going to end it here. I'm just feeling the hair. Honestly, I'm just feeling the hair. Just feeling the hair. Just feeling it. Just feeling the hair. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Till my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are watching up to this extent, I have not subscribed. What are you still waiting for? Subscribe. Let's take this channel to the promised side. Please subscribe. Share to your friends. There are some people like this Christmas now. People maybe are looking for where to buy hair. When you share, they will know where to buy hair. They will know whether they like it or not, or who want to buy hair. And I'm trying to know, maybe to know how their hair looks like or something like that. By watching this video, it will help them to know, decide whether they will buy or not. Thank you guys. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you guys. I see you guys in my next video. Remember, blessed. Love you. God loves you. Bye bye.